The St. Thomas police are investigating the stabbing death of a senior citizen in the parish. An Ak47 rifle with a magazine containing 6 7.62 rounds of ammunition were seized during an operation in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday, March 15. So those are the two things that we're going to talk about in today's report, people. So make sure you stay tuned, watch the video all the way to the end. Please remember that it's important to smash the like button and leave a comment on this video so YouTube could recommend this video to a lot more people. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join the One Banger Than family. So the St. Thomas police are investigating the stabbing death of a senior citizen in the parish. The deceased has been identified as 69-year-old Oliver Brown, otherwise called Mr. Shine, a watchman from Bamboo River Bridge in the parish. It is reported that shortly after 9 o'clock on Friday night, a resident was walking along a dirt track in the community when Brown's body was seen lying face down with multiple chop wounds. So, that one is sad, people. I want to make me know anything about this in the comment section. You see me, I know anything about Mr. Oliver Brown. You see me, I say, a resident just walk past through in the community and just see the dog lie down, you see me, or the man I should say, you see me, lie down on him face with multiple chop wounds. Now, nobody don't know who chop him up, nobody don't know who him involved in or what really go on or exactly what take place. But as I say, people, we just go on the news as we get it. So, but let me know anything about that in the comment section about this. Only thing we can say, people, this kind of sad to see what really happened to the elder. You see me, because this could have happened to like anyone in our family. You see me, even we said we, because you don't know more while you might go around and people have things that you might feel like everything over, or you might feel like your friend that or this or that, you see me, but don't make him catch at the wrong place at the wrong time. You see me, so things like them could happen to anybody. So when we see things like them happen, we have to just say, oh, Jano, them things are kind of sad. You see me, when we see them things go on. But people, as I say, I could just leave you to be the judge, because probably one of them might know something what me don't know about this news how it really take place said way. You see me, so feel free to share your opinion down below in the comment section. Please remember that it's important to smash the like button and leave a comment in the comment section so YouTube could rank up this video and recommend this video to a lot more viewers who would like to see this. So now we're going to roll over to the next topic, which is an Ak47 rifle with a magazine containing 6 7.62 rounds of ammunition were seized during an operation in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday, March 15. Now, the police them now ram people. Since recently over the past 3 weeks, the police them seized over 40 had gun, probably 50 had gun, and almost shot and almost sitting. Now when we see the police them do them work and all people gonna get found and all people gonna get catch, you see me? We have to know say yo, what you go on, a less gun that in our country. You see me? And we all know say less gun, less killing. Because most of the people them we are dead nowadays, I don't buy no bag of knife or no bag of sickness or them look weird. If you don't know say corona kill people or this and them look weird, you see me? But the gunman them coming like them active more and the corona said we. You see me, because people are get robbed, people are dead are hard. Everywhere you go, yeah, you say people are dead, yeah, you say this are go on and that are go on, you see me. So when we see one bag are going to get fined and them things, that's when we say people, me not have a problem. We have to appreciate the good work we see police them do. Because as I say, less gun, less killing. You see me? So when I go lick out on the police and say, yo, them a lock up a man them for this and that and that. Even though no say police are the rank said we are not the criminal act like whole heap of police are catch gun on road or catch man with gun and them look away there, you see me? And I take a gun and carry give them a friend and them look away there, you see me? And we see them think they are going to do, we talk about it and we lick out on it and say, yo, I be a slackness we say. The police them are going with and the soldier them and them look away there, you see it? So we have to forward out and talk about it and we see them are do good. You see me, because we see a lot of guns seized and that's something good. You see me, we see all of guns fine because we don't mind no illegal gun in the country. You see me? We all know they have a better Jamaica if Jamaica did run that way there. Or a better world if the world did run that way there overall. You see me, but people as I say, I don't want to think about this thing we are going to Jamaica, how much people are dead and how much gonna seize and yes, I don't want to think in the comment section. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Join the One Banger Than family right now. Wanna wait pan. Yes, but people as I say, smash the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. So right now, I'm out until the next video drop.